Hey Divas, Kaden here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. In today's video, I'll be decorating my bathroom. So if you guys don't know, we recently moved and I've been using this bathroom for the longest, but I haven't gotten a chance to decorate it. So now is the time for me to do so. It's way overdue. So for this bathroom, I'm gonna go with a black and gold theme. So most of my stuff I got them from TJ Maxx, Ross, or Burlington because I am a budget shopper, and trust me, I'm gonna try and get the best for my money for a fraction of the cost. So I'm showing you that I won't be using those curtain rods because I already have some black ones that I'm already using. And this bathroom decorating idea thing, it's gonna be budget friendly because, as I said, everything is cheap. I got them from Burlington, TJ Maxx, or Ross. So please just sit back, relax, and enjoy, or even grab your stuff and start decorating. The first thing I'm gonna do is go ahead and put up my shower curtains. It doesn't matter what kind of plastic you have behind your shower curtain because trust me, it's not going to show. So I chose this blue one because they didn't have any gray or any other color that I like to use. So I just went ahead with the blue. I got it from Walmart. So what I'm doing here is just putting up my curtain, and as you can see, my baby girl is playing in the curtain, which is not good. So I'm just going to go ahead, spread it out to ensure that everything is even, and then I'm going to move on to the next part. The next thing I'm going to move on to is my toilet. So this, I forgot, I got these from Walmart because I couldn't find any in Burlington, Ross, or TJ Maxx. And when I check online, they're so expensive. So I picked this one up at Walmart. So I got this along with the one that I put around the toilet from Walmart. So this is what I'm going to do. Just use this. Even though it didn't match the pattern on the original rugs that I use, but it's actually black. So it just blends in. I got this set of 2 rugs from Ross, and look at how flexible they are. I like to get my rugs like this because when I put them in the washer or the dryer, they won't get damaged. They'll just wash like regular towels. This will save you a lot of money because you don't have to keep on rebuying once it gets damaged. Now it's time for me to hang my towels, and as you can see, I started out pretty simple and basic, but then I think to myself and said, no, you need to go into creative mode. So I went ahead, put on my thinking cap, and I don't remember where I saw this tutorial of someone showing how to do like decorative towels for your bathroom, your beds, or whatever. So I did exactly that, and it came out perfect. These towels are also from Ross. To give my bathroom that extra luxury or that extra, you know, razzle dazzle, I like to go ahead and add some long curtains in front of my shower curtain. So as soon as my husband got home, I just gave it to him and asked him to install it, because for some reason I don't know how to operate the curtain rods, so I just leave that part up for him. When hanging the curtain, you want to put it as close as possible to the ceiling. You don't want to put it on the same height as the actual shower curtain. That's gonna just give it that extra oomph. And this is me just playing around with the curtains until I get them the way I want them to look. These curtains were also from Ross. Got this behind the door towel hanger from Ross, and it holds up to 10 towels. These 3-piece wall decors are from Ross, and it's like a flower with a mirror in the center, and I went ahead and just added to my plain wall that I had because I wanted to have that little zazz. I didn't want my wall to look all plain and simple. After putting up the wall decors, I decided I need to add a little zazz to my mirror. So, you know, there's this little app going around in which you use an electric tape to create like a frame around your mirror, and I did exactly that, and it just adds that extra, you know, extra luxury to my bathroom instead of having that plain mirror. Now it's time to decorate my countertop. I got this plant from Ross, and for some reason I like palm trees over anything else, and that extra greenery to the bathroom was exactly what it needed. So what I did, I just went ahead, play around with a few stuff that I got until I got the satisfaction that I need. And yeah, that's basically it. I was trying to figure out what should I do with this tray. I usually use it for tissue because I already used it before, but because this bathroom is set up kind of different, I was like, what am I going to do with it? But eventually I used it for tissue also. I just put it on the other side of the face basin instead of on top of the toilet tank. And what's a clean bathroom without fragrance? So I went ahead, turned my little fragrance on, and then I'm going to show you my bathroom in low lights and then in highlight. And trust me, it was just blinging. It came out perfect. I love everything about it. I've never had a black bathroom before, so for me to do this one, I was so proud of myself. This is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to go ahead, like, comment, share, and subscribe. You've reached this far, just subscribe and become a part of the gang. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please watch until the end. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.